I might just pull up like a face ray in the back with a about a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of see cheapskates. Then when it cash it all out on the same day, just like a face ray. I might just pull up like a face ray in the back with a about a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of see cheapskates. Then when it cash it all out on the same day, just like a face ray. Had to go get my yum, so I got on my bed, it's a bird left sack, yeah. Now they hit my phone, but they won't get to where I'm at, yeah. Mama always told me that them boys gon' hold you back. You got way too much potential to be worrying, that's a fact. Okay, finna skirt the Biscayne, Bentley, I'ma switch lanes. You can't step to me, so don't you bother looking this way.
It has been several days since I've actually spoken to you guys, but the battery is ready to go. It took several hours on the weekend to fully charge, and I have received the brake fluid for the M5 that we are going to be pouring in and basically resetting the system. I am really hoping that fixes the BMW issue. On Sunday night, I was actually reading the warranty to figure out what the extended warranty's terms were, whether the brake fluid would be included in that whole service and the warranty, and unfortunately it would not be. As far as I understand, at least, there's a lot of exceptions. And then I realized that the car actually came with a limited warranty that I forgot about. Not sure if the brakes or brake fluid would be included in that, but I believe it would cover generally everything. And knowing my luck, the freaking limited warranty literally expired on Sunday, and that's the day I was reading it. So I'm just like, maybe I should have looked into this sooner, but I literally have no type of time. So I kind of had to do what I need to do when I have time to do it. And yeah, so the limited warranty already expired. Extended warranty probably does not cover it, and we're just going to hope for the best with the brake fluid we have. Reset the system, and hopefully that resolves the brake fluid light we have. We'll just set the brake fluid over there and head to the Mustang. It's going to be hot as shit in the sun, I just know it. Almost don't want to even go over there. Let's get this turned on. Okay. The car just locked. Okay, fortunately I have the key, because the other keys are actually inside already. So I literally would have locked the shit out of the car with me outside. Let's just try it right away, even though it hasn't really charged for more than 10-15 seconds. What the hell was that pop? Oh. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, because I think the battery just died too. Goes the car cover to make matters worse. Entire battery gone like that. Weird thing is, it's not even that breezy. I feel like I just had bad luck, but nothing new about that. I decided I'm actually going to put the self-starter back over here. It's not worth charging for like endless hours just to have it die. I probably do need another jump starter. We'll look into that one soon. Probably something more handheld, because this is a few years old and I know there has been updates to that. So, you know, there are smaller self-starters with much more power. So I need to look into that. At this point, we're probably just going to jump the Mustang. I think that's the easiest thing to do. Closest car on the other side is actually the green Mustang. So we might just bring it through here into the back and jump it, since that'll probably be the easiest method. For now, we're just going to leave it dead back there. Nobody's driving it. It's really not worth the hassle at all. Brake fluid. Let's see how much I need. I might not even need more than one, but just got two just in case, because we know how my luck goes. You might say, Tzio, how bad can your luck be? You have all these cars going for you and everything. Took it off. Entirely covered still. Probably should wear gloves, but I mean, kid, I guess. It's definitely thirsty. but I don't know. I mean, the brake fluid looks higher than it was before, so I think we might actually be at the maximum. I think, I'm not 100% sure. I guess we didn't need a second bottle, but I guess it's good to have regardless. And we probably use about half of that one, so I'll just keep that for now. I did spill a little since I was trying to get every last ounce in, but here goes nothing. And that's that. I guess I'll try to reset the code in a couple of days maybe, since I don't have the time now to do it. Was not intending to record anything today actually, because I probably will not actually go outside to see the cars or anything, but we got the freaking plates. If I'm not mistaken, you know, knowing my luck, anything could happen, but these should be the Lamborghini plates that I've been waiting for I guess about 6 months. I'm not 100% sure how long it's been, but it has been a long time, and I'm pretty sure I ordered them early this year, but you know, who knows, maybe I ordered them last year and I just don't remember exactly when it's been. Obviously the Benz plates we were not going to transfer onto the car because I ended up, you know, basically giving my parents the car, and they didn't want the plates. So that's that. We got the Lamborghini plates, or what I believe to be the Lamborghini plates, and these will be going on the car soon. And I guess I need to figure out what to do with the ones are already on the car. A second ago I mentioned my bad luck, so it ended up being the correct Lamborghini plates. But as you guys know, several days ago I spent almost $1,000 on the registration for the Lamborghini and got new stickers. Only downside is the stickers they sent for the new plates are 2023 rather than 2024, so clearly we have run into a bit of an issue out here with the cars. And we are taking the M5, doing some dessert delivery, if you will. And yeah, super freaking dirty since it's been sitting out here, so that's a little unfortunate. I guess the Lamborghini is just as dirty as well. We do need to put the new plates on and figure out what we're doing with the originals, since the instructions the DMV provided are at least a little complicated. They don't make complete sense because they're written in a way as if I don't have the new plates and I'm supposed to schedule an appointment to go swap them. But obviously I do have the new plates. I did not bring the Insta360 camera because it requires a little too much work and time to do editing. But I won't really get into that. But this is the first drive in the M5 after putting brake fluid in. We'll just see how the car acts. Will it be perfectly fine? Will it not be? I do need to reset the system, but I assume the car's fine if it's not making noise.
Money talk, it's on my cellular. Pull up in that all black SUV like Santa does. My chains be shining, I can't hide them, I can't get them. I might just pull up like a face ray.
It has been a while, and unfortunately the brakes are squeaky again. It actually did not squeak for like probably, I don't know, 20 minutes of the drive, 15-20 minutes, something like that, and then it randomly kind of started squeaking, and now it's sort of squeaking a lot again. But since I do have the AC running and everything and music playing, I don't know if it's squeaking at every stop or it's squeaking on some of the stops, but it is pretty loud. So I'm not sure what's happening with the whole brake fluid situation, I guess. Let's head out for some adventures.
Then when it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face. I might just pull her like a face ray in the back with a bought a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of ℂ𝕝𝕒𝕟𝕉𝕚.
We are here to look at some lights for the garage, and we are going to do a barbecue. Brought the tank that we were going to exchange somewhere else, but while we were here we realized that we might as well just do it here for convenience, and it's actually cheaper here as well than where we were going to go normally, so thought to get this done as well. But obviously if we got a hanging one, then it might just fall into the car at some point, so that's probably not good. I don't know. I mean, I do like it. I don't know. What do you think?
When it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face ray. Building up my confidence, I ain't got no time for that. In a whip with a and she confident. Yeah, she mad thing, like an ad-lib. Living lavish, like a bad. Pull up in a brand new whip. Look at my diamonds hit. Ride around with a stick.
Well, these are like outdoor, no? Or, well, I guess it could work both ways, maybe.
Look at my diamonds popping. On the road, you can't stop me. While your numbers keep dropping, I'm on the top while you're talking. I said, get the f out my face. I'ma shoot with this stick.
Here goes nothing. I have to put the new month on, or the new month sticker, but as you guys know, based on what I said previously, they gave me a 2023 sticker, so I'm going to have to basically take off the 2024 sticker off the original plates and then put them on here. So slowly doing that and then putting the plates back on, and that's probably going to be all we do with the cars today, but I thought I'd record anyways since we did wait for these plates forever, so it's nice to finally have them.
10 seconds later.
It's so hot that taking the sticker off and putting it on the new plate really stretched the hell out of the sticker, because this is what it looks like now, and originally it was perfectly a rectangle and it wasn't this big. Now I'm pretty much going through the trouble of getting all the registration sorted out, because my registration hasn't expired and the new ones don't run until September of this year, so I guess I'm going to have to keep the new registration that came in with the plates even though they expire in September of 23, and that way everything will pretty much align. But yeah, now I just gotta screw the plates on, and I'll just need to figure out what to do with the originals, but I'll probably take it to AAA next week and see if I need to literally go to the DMV, since I know AAA does accept plates, since they did take the old M5 plates when I got the C63 ones put on the M5, so we'll just see what happens. Finally got it on. Pretty wobbly though, even though it's sturdy at the top, but that's good old Italian engineering.